Imagine stepping into a city of dreams, where the streets are packed and every corner has a story. But wait, there's a twist. Hidden among these famous spots are traps waiting to trip you up and empty your pockets. Yep, we're talking about New York City's tourist traps. But don't worry, we're here to help you dodge those traps and find the real magic of New York City. And remember, the biggest surprises are coming up as we count down to the #1 tourist trap you'll definitely want to avoid. You won't believe what it is. Kicking off our list at number 15 is the sneaky pickpockets. They hang out in packed places, waiting to take things from their pockets or open bags. It's super crowded. And before you know it, your phone or wallet could be gone. Here's your tip. Zip your bags and keep them in front of you in crowded places. Number 14 is getting overcharged by taxis. Some taxi drivers might take you on a longer ride, making the trip way more expensive. Especially if they see you're not from around here, they think they can trick you. Tip number 1, check the quickest route on your phone and ask about the fare first. Tip number 2, plan and pre-order an Uber or Lyft ride to your destination. At number 13, it's the subway maze. With all those lines and stops, figuring out where to go is tough. And if you're not used to swiping those cards, getting through the gate can feel like a game you just can't win. Tips. Use a subway app to plan your trip and practice swiping your card. Number 12 hits you with high prices at rooftop bars. Yes, the views are amazing. But paying so much just for a drink? That's not the memory of New York you want to keep. Tips. Enjoy the view from public spots or find bars with happy hours. Sliding into number 11, Chinatown's fake souvenirs might tempt you. Those bags and watches look like famous brands, but at a closer look, totally fake. And they might not last long after you get home. Tips. Real treasures are found in official stores, not on the streets. Number 10 brings us to Times Square's costume characters. They seem fun for a quick pick, but once the camera clicks, they're all about getting tips, and they're not shy about asking for it either. Tips. It's okay to say no thanks or agree on a tip before the photo. Number 9 hits the spotlight with Broadway's dazzling shows and their dazzling ticket prices. But don't let those prices dim your lights. Tips. Score deals at TKTS or enter show lotteries online. And keep watching. The top trap will make your jaw drop. Don't miss it. At number 8, Madame Tussauds, where stars don't blink and prices make you think. It's a fun house of wax, but the real fun doesn't have to cost as much. Tips. Enjoy New York City's real sights. Many offer free days. Landing at number 7, those hop-on, hop-off buses. A great view from the top, but in traffic, you might as well hop off and walk. Tip. New York's best seen on foot or by subway. Number 6 takes us shopping on Fifth Avenue. Those store windows look tempting, but the prices, not so pretty. Tip: explore local boutiques for unique finds without the hefty price tag. At number 5, Little Italy's charm might lure you in. But beware of the tourist menu prices that don't always taste as good as they cost. Tip: authentic Italian is just a neighborhood away. Ask locals for the best spots. Number 4 is a ride through Central Park, but not the fun kind. Those horse carriages look cute, but they're super pricey, and there's a better way to see the park. Tip: rent a bike or just walk to see Central Park's beauty. Just wait until you see what's at number 1. It's the trap everyone walks into. Coming in hot at number 3, those packed ferries to the Statue of Liberty. Yes, she's a beauty, but is it worth the wait and the crowd? Tip: catch a free ride on the Staten Island Ferry for a great view without the squeeze. At number 2, the Empire State Building. Those views are sky high. And so are the prices and the wait times. Tip: try the top of the rock or the edge for amazing views with fewer crowds. Ready for number 1? It's the biggest tourist trap in New York City, and we're revealing it next. And the number 1 tourist trap? Times Square. Yes, it's the heart of NYC, but it's also where your wallet can take a hit from overpriced everything, and where crowds can really cramp your style. Tip: enjoy the lights, then escape to nearby Bryant Park for a peaceful break. So that's the scoop on dodging NYC's tourist traps. Remember, the real New York is found beyond the crowds. Ready to explore like a local? We've got you covered with tips and secrets in every video. Hit like if you found these tips helpful, and share with friends headed to NYC. Don't miss more travel hacks. Subscribe and ring the bell. Got a tourist trap story? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching, and here's to making your next trip the best one yet. Catch you on the next adventure, trap-free.